What's good with y'all niggas, bruh? Vaughn. Now look, the power of hair. In this video, I'm strictly talking to black people, okay? So first of all, black people, what you have to understand about your hair is alive, okay? Our hair is the only hair on the planet that's alive. The reason why your hair is alive because it conducts electricity, okay? It's coarse. When you rub a rug, right, what does it do? It creates static, creates electricity. Your hair is alive. This is also why we have the only hair on the planet that sticks up and that defies gravity, okay? Because for instance, when a plant comes out the ground, right? You see this plant, when a plant comes out the ground, what does it do? It sticks up. When our hair comes out our scalp, what does it do? It sticks up, symbolizing that it's alive, okay? So for this hair being alive, you have to understand your hair is its own organism, if that makes sense. Your hair is intuition, it holds knowledge, and it also helps you connect to the universe better. It helps you receive thoughts and stuff like that. This is why most spiritual people, 9 times out of 10, have dreads. Think about every spiritual person you know, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's in real life, whether it's down the street. Every spiritual person you know, 9 times out of 10, the nigga got dreads. Okay? I'm one of them. Okay? This is also why when you go to the military, they make you cut off all your hair and they make you get a buzz cut, because the military been knew this shit for years. They know that hair holds psychological powers and it gives you psychic abilities, okay? Another reason why this hair gives you, and I'm just gonna come straight off the dome, another reason why your hair gives you psychic abilities. This is why, you know, when you feel like something about to happen, or you feel like something ain't right, or you feel like something about to pop off, your hair on your arms stick up. This is your spidey sense, what they want to call it, okay? Another thing, your hair is natural intuition. The reason why females always jump into conclusions, and the reason why females always feel like something bad about to happen, or they feel like they just know everything, is because they got this natural intuition from their hair. Because females naturally have long hair. This is why they always jump into conclusions. This is why when you with your girl and you about to go to the club or something, your girl be like, nah, don't go out to the club tonight. I feel like something about to happen. And you be like, man, you tripping, blah, blah, blah. Then you go out to the club gets shot up. Then you like, damn, I should listen to my girl. That's because your girl knew what the fuck she was talking about, because she got that natural intuition from her hair, okay? This is why it's so important for you to grow your hair out and for you to lock your hair, grow it out. This is why it's so important. Your hair is alive. Now, white people hair, I don't want to really talk about their hair too much, but their hair is dead, okay? This is why when it comes out their scalp, it falls down. When a plant starts dying, what does it do? It falls down, okay? Another thing to show y'all that black people, and I already told y'all that black people are damn near like plants. The only thing that separates us from plants is iron and magnesium. We have iron, they have magnesium, okay? If you was to switch that, they would have black melanin skin, and I would have, or a black person would have green chlorophyll skin, okay? Another thing, look at the trees right here. Look at the trees. What do the trees branches look like? Now look at my twists. It look damn near the same, right? The trees naturally pick up energy and thoughts from the universe just like us, okay? We are just like trees, my nigga. We was made in God's image, okay? Hair stores information. What I mean by that is your hair literally holds knowledge and information. This is why dudes that grow out their hair for 4 years, like for instance, a dude could grow out their hair for 4 years, cut their hair off, and then dudes be saying shit like, damn, bro, why I cut my hair, bro? I feel weird. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I lost a part of me. That's because you really did lose a part of you, okay? Your hair is literally connected to you. Like, if I cut off my hair tomorrow I'm not going to feel like the same nigga, bro. I'm probably going to be going through some shit, because I'm going to be like, what the fuck? Like, I'm not going to feel the same, bro. This is another reason why they make you cut your hair in the military. Because they know that shit takes away your psychic abilities. They know this shit hinders your knowledge. So they can pretty much be doing whatever the fuck they want to your ass, and you just be cool with the shit. All right, I had to come inside to make the rest of the video because they're trying to stop me from getting my message off by making all that noise outside. Okay, so I already explained how your hair holds knowledge and how it gives you intuition and all that. Okay, and another reason, this is why when people with dreads meditate, it's easier for them to connect to the universe, okay? This is why they say your hair is like antennas. It really holds knowledge and information. So now for all the black girls that wear weave and they watching this right now, I'm on y'all ass. First of all, I'm going to just say this. For all the black girls that say, oh, I wear weave because that's what niggas like, no, it's not. I never heard one of my homeboys ever in my life say, dog, I really like a bitch that just wear weave, bro. I really like a bitch that wear fake hair. No, okay? Stop it. Stop it, okay? Now I'm about to tell you this. If y'all didn't know, and I need y'all to go study hair, everything that I'm saying, y'all need to go research. Don't just listen to my videos and be like, oh, this nigga Vaughn speaking facts. Actually go research it. Now, black girls have pores, right? Now, these pores in these black girls' head literally release pheromones. Now, if you don't know what a pheromone is like pretty much the female organism releasing gas to let the male organism know that she's ready to mate and have a baby. For instance, like it's like a female wolf releasing a pheromone from her body to let the male wolf know that she's ready to have a baby, okay? So girls that have natural hair and that wear natural hair 24/7 release these pheromones out to black men 24/7, okay? This is why when us dudes, and I'm talking about us dudes right now, this is why when us dudes get around a girl with natural hair, we feel some type of attraction towards her, or got some type of respect towards her, or we just feel something towards her. It's because her pheromones are literally getting released at that very moment, and we're getting attracted towards her, okay? This is why dudes be like, oh yeah, I like a girl with natural hair, and we don't know why. This is why, my nigga, because her hair is literally, her pores in her hair are literally releasing pheromones, okay? So since I just told you that, when you girls get a perm in your head or put some weave in your head, you're literally destroying or blocking those pheromones from getting released out, okay? So girls will go to the motherfucking beauty supply store and get some fake white girl hair in their head. And yes, and it's fake white girl hair. For all you black girls that be trying to get on white girls, stop wearing their motherfucking hair then, okay? Stop trying to look white. Stop trying to look like your conqueror and your slave master, okay? Stop saying, oh, I wear it because I feel I like it. No, you wear it because you insecure and it makes you feel better because you feel like you're not already cute enough. Okay, I can go back and forth with any girl watching this right now that want to debate about justifying about wearing fake hair. Okay, what if I was to get up one day and I started wearing a wig every day? Females would be like, why you got fake hair? You a dude. Why you got so a dude can't wear fake hair, but a girl can? A dude can't wear fake hair, but a girl can? That don't make sense. You ain't supposed to be wearing fake hair. You don't see white girls going to the salon getting afros in their hair. So why y'all be going to the salon getting white girl hair in? Y'all be having blue, pink, motherfucking purple. Y'all be looking like a damn Power Ranger, like a motherfucking Pokemon, okay? And another reason why you shouldn't be wearing weaves, because hair literally holds energy, okay? For y'all that didn't know, everything holds energy, okay? Hair literally holds energy. So when you black girls go to the salon and you get somebody else's hair on top of your head, you don't know what type of person that girl was. She could have been a depressed, fucked up ass person. Guess what? That depressed, effed up ass energy is on top of your head now, fucking your life up, okay? And I hope you ain't wearing no damn horse hair, because now you got animal energy on top of your head. Now you wonder why, and this is why every time you see black girls fighting, what they got on top of their head: weave, perms, or a wig. You don't never see no natural girls fighting. You always see girls with animal hair on top of their head fighting. Now you know why. And now for the black girls that say, oh, well, I only wear weave because it's more convenient because I don't feel like doing my hair every day. So you would rather go out and pay $100 or $80 to put some fake hair on top of your head because it's more convenient. Now, I'm not saying you got to do your hair 24/7, but damn, you can't put like a little wrap on top of your head. You feel me? That's a bullshit ass excuse. Like, let's just be honest, bro. Black girls, y'all be wanting to wear weave, and that's one of my rules. If you messing with me, oh nah, you can't have no weave in your head. I don't condone that. That's straight up. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm not saying you got to have a full-fledged afro, but you got to be natural. That's straight up. I don't wear fake hair. So why should you be able to wear fake hair? Hey, for all my dudes watching this, y'all remember on Instagram when it used to be videos of dudes in barbershops and they used to have a bald spot right here and hair on the side of their head, and they used to get fake hair put on their head? Like, they used to get a little procedure done, and they used to be having fake waves. And then some dudes would actually get like a fake box and all that. Girls be all in the comments. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Girls be all in the comments like, oh no, I can't trust these niggas. Oh, you can't trust these niggas. These niggas really out here wearing fake hair. What is y'all doing? So it's okay when y'all do it, but we can't do it. That don't make sense. That don't make sense. So how I feel, ain't nobody should be able to do it. You don't see white boys going to the barbershop trying to get dreads. Well, hold on, that's a different conversation. But you don't see white girls going to the salon trying to get afros in their hair. You don't see them doing that. When they go to the salon, they get their hair done. They get their natural hair done. Okay. So anyway, these pheromones in black girls' hair literally, and these black girls' pores literally release pheromones, pretty much letting the black man know that she's ready to mate. Okay, so when you get perms and all these other weaves, you literally are blocking that shit. Okay, you're literally blocking it. And for the girls that be like, well, Von, I only wear weaves because my hair don't grow. My hair is very short. Your hair is short because you always wearing weave. Like I just told you, your hair is like a plant. Okay, what does a plant need to grow? Sunlight and also water. Okay, and that's not no bullshit. This is why when you sun gaze, you literally are growing out your hair. For instance, since I started sun gazing my nigga consistently, my hair is this long now. Okay, my hair is OD long now. Okay, sun gazing literally grows out your hair. Make sure you wash your hair too if you also want to grow it. I already made a video on hair and how to get your hair longer and all that. But yeah, that's the effects of hair. Hair gives you intuition. Hair holds knowledge. Your hair is alive. I'm talking to black people. Your hair is alive. And black women, your hair literally release pheromones to let other dudes know they're ready to mate. So if you want to attract more dudes, start wearing your natural hair, okay? That's the power of hair. And yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's Von. I'm out.